Happy Memorial Day sale! Here's another video showing you some great fabrics. And we have lots of things to show you. We're going to move through them quickly. The basics are this. When you buy one kit, it is discounted very much off of the original price. You will get one free pattern with every one of the kits that you purchase, or you can skip the individual pattern and take a book instead. Now, one reason that's a good idea is because the books show you how to enlarge your quilts. 2 kits will make a twin and 4 kits will make a king queen. So if you want a really good deal, 8 patterns, 3 different sizes for each, and you get it free whenever you buy 3 kits. If you want it for a stash buster, you can get the book for $15.99. Now, most of our quilts are 45 by 60, give or take a couple of inches. We're going to be showing you examples. You will not see the actual fabrics, and most of these quilts, they're just examples so you can see what the quilt pattern looks like. We're going to start with this one, and this one is called Harmony, and Harmony is one that I designed that wanted to show off a couple of nice different fabrics with a little contrasting color in the background so that your focus fabrics would really show up nicely. So let's look at our first fabric here. Now this one is going to be Tranquil Garden, and your number 1 fabric goes in the number 1 spot here. The number 2 fabric is your background. It's going to be in the back of the background that really causes these pieces to stand out. Your number 3 will go here and here. So this one is called Tranquil Garden. It is 8021478. Easy Does It is the name of the book that Harmony is in. It is only available as an individual pattern. So we suggest an alternate pattern because any one of my kits will work with any pattern. We suggest the snowball pattern. Now the next one we're going to show you that has using the Harmony pattern is called So Blessed. I love fabric that has words on it. I'm always saying, say it with a quilt. So this one has family, happiness, kindness, love. It's a great fabric. It'd be a great gift quilt. Number 1 fabric goes here. The number 2 fabric is your background, and your number 3 fabric is going to go here and in your border. This one is going to be a very sweet quilt. You've got 8021479. So Blessed is your the name of your kit. Harmony is the name of the pattern. It's in the book Easy Does It. So Quick is your alternate pattern. Now remember, every one of these are in great pricing, and we have extras of these, so you might be able to make a little bit larger quilt if you want. The next one is called First Blooms. First Blooms is a great one for this particular quilt. Your number 1 fabric is going to go here. It has this pretty little pink that goes in the background, and the number 3 will go in the rectangular shaped block there. This one is 8021408. First Bloom. Harmony is your pattern. Easy Does It is your book. And an alternate is Pretty Please. Now this kit only has 3 remaining. So remember, you can skip the little patterns, buy 3 kits. Any of our sale kits will qualify and get a book free. The next one is Skip to My Lou. Skip to My Lou is a fun pattern. It's very super simple and easy to make. It's all strip pieced, and then you put the sashing in there between your sections. I like this one a lot. Very summery looking. I don't have that quilt, but we've got some summery looking fabric. And you caught that looking. You can tell I'm from the South. Drop those G's off. All right, so we have this pretty little floral. It's a nice little springy looking floral. That's going to go everywhere you see your flowers. The number 2 fabric is going to go here in your alternate block. And this one is nice because it has the musical notes on it, and this is called Floral Serenade is the name of the kit. Now the number 3 fabric is your blue. It's going to go here. So this one is called Floral Serenade, 8021481. Skip to My Lou is the pattern that we recommend. It's also available in the book Easy Peasy. Now another one of our kits that would look cute in that particular quilt is Cozy Corner. This was sweet. This always reminds me of being a little girl. Love this little rose and then the number 2 fabric. So this goes in your flower block. This one is going to be your number 2. It goes here. Your number 3 is the pink that will take the place of this blue. Cozy Corner 8021482 is the kit number. Skip to Malou is the pattern name. It's available in Easy Peasy. It's also available as an individual pattern. There are only 4 of these remaining. And the next one for Skip to Malou, this one is called Wildflowers. This will be really sweet too, with this one in the number 1, the pink in the number 2, and the green will take the place here. So it's so fun how the fabrics will work up in the different patterns. The same thing, Skip to Malou is available in Easy Peasy. There are only 2 of these remaining. Okay, the next one, this particular pattern is Sweet Times. It's a very popular pattern for showing off novelties, and it's big 10-inch blocks. This one is great. We're going to put that up here, and we have a super fabric for this one. This one's called Welcome Home. How fun it is. So you're going to have this great floral here in the middle in the big blocks, and then each one of those blocks is going to be bordered by one of these. So you've got a border for one block, and this will be the border for the other block. It's going to be a really fresh quilt. 8021484 is your kit number. Welcome Home is the name of the kit. Sweet Times is the pattern. It's also available in the book, Easy Peasy. Now another one for that same pattern is Bumble Blossoms. And if you look at this one, you can see the floral, and then you've got the little bees flying around that. This is your number 1 fabric. It's going to go here. We're going to border one of the blocks in this color, and then we'll border the other block in this color. That's going to look really cute. Number 8021485, Bumble Blossoms. Sweet Times is your pattern from the book Easy Peasy. Now we do have a last chance, and this one's pretty, so get your finger ready to click that button on last chances, because this one is gorgeous. So we have a big 10-inch block of those flowers bordered by the beige and the green. That is going to be lovely. 8021486, and it is Peyton Squares. Sometimes it's hard to read upside down. Sweet Times is the pattern. Easy Peasy is the book. There are only 2 of these remaining. Okay, next we've got Farmhouse Chic is the name of this particular pattern. And with all of the popularity of the real neutral palette of grays and just a little bit of beige in there, this one is a really nice one. We'll put that one up here, and I've got some great fabrics that will mimic that. So this one is called A New Leaf. I love the white with the taupe on top of it. That's really pretty. This is going to be where your flowers are. Then your number 2 fabric is your background. So it's going to go here. That'll cause your higher contrast between these 2. And then for your number 3, it goes here. So that one is called A New Leaf. 8021487. Farmhouse Chic is the name of the pattern. It's only available in the Easy Does It book. So an alternate pattern that you might choose if you want to just get a pattern is the Heartland pattern. But remember, if you get 3 kits, you can get any one of our books free when you buy the 3 kits and skip the patterns. Okay, the next one, this is the last chance. There are only 4 remaining, but this one is great. Soothing Shades. So this would be in this section here. Your number 2 is going to be your background. So that'll be all in the background. And then the number 3 is going to be where the gray is. Great fabric to go with Farmhouse Chic. Only available in the Easy Does It, but we do recommend the Dominique pattern for that one. Only 4 remaining. And next, we've got another floral here. Well, I guess we have lots of florals since this one's called Florals. So this one is your number 1 fabric. This is going to be Country Trellis is the name of this pattern. Your floral will go here in this block. Your cream is going to go here and in the background. And then your wonderful terracotta color is going to go here. So this one is called Country Trellis. It's the Farmhouse Chic pattern from Easy Does It, or an alternate would be the Sugar Pie. There's only 1 of these remaining. Now, we've shown you several different suggestions for patterns. By now, I'm sure you know that any one of our kits will work with any one of our patterns, and we have more last chances. This is just going to be an opportunity for you to view last chance quilts that there's a limited amount available. I just loved this quilt when it first came in, the purples and greens together. Very, very complimentary. This is your number 1 fabric. Your number 2, you compare these two, you pick the lighter of the 2 for number 2, and your number 3. This one we are recommending Bold Blocks. Bold Blocks is in the book pretty darn quick. It's also available as an individual, and each one of those big blocks will have the asymmetrical borders out of these 2 fabrics. It's going to be a great looking quilt. And next, that one was a rather dramatic looking earthy quilt. Now we've got some sunshine for you. So this one is called Sunshine, and this particular one has your wonderful peachy and yellow with the green. Then we picked up the green leaf for our number 2, and our number 3 is that bright yellow. This is a fun, bright, sunshiny quilt for your sunroom. 8021491. Picture Perfect is the quilt that we recommend, and that is in the book Quick and Easy 3-Yard Quilts. There are only 2 of these remaining. Quick and Easy 3-Yard Quilts is only available as a download pattern book. But you can still pick it as your freebie if you're buying 3 kits, and we'll send you a code so you can download it. There's only 1 of these remaining. It's called Floral, and it is the Botanical Florals. Really pretty. Picking up your beiges for number 2 and your green leaf for number 3. So this one is 8021492. So Quick is the recommended pattern. It's from Quilt Favorites, another download only book. So you'll get a code if you order 3 kits and pick that one as your freebie. Now, if you want to, you can also purchase the downloadable books and use it for stash busting. It's a great way to go. This one, only 1 left of this one too. It's called Burlap Daisies, and this one has your focus fabric or your little blue flowers, and then your secondary fabric has the blue and the cream colors in this, tying in with your burlap color of your 3rd choice. That one's going to be a fun one. This one we recommend the Hopscotch pattern. 8021493 is your kit number. Hopscotch is great when you have high contrast fabrics like these. It gives you a woven look. Now there's only 1 of these remaining, so be sure to take advantage of that if you can be the first one over there. We have a great sale going on. You've got more videos to watch, and we'll want to encourage you to do that. If you go to our website, fabriccafe.com, we have a button and it says Memorial Day Sale. You can click on that and see all of these kits that are available for you there. We have 7 books in print. We also have 3 download books, and you can get a free book with every 3 kits that you purchase. We have one more special that we're doing for our sale. When we're cutting fabric, we sometimes have 1-yard pieces left over. This is a pleasant surprise stash builder, so if you're using our patterns to stash, bust up your stash. Sometimes you need a few extra colors just to coordinate right at the end. Stash builders are great for that. A super low price on 1 yard cuts. You get 5 1-yard cuts in every bundle. You don't get to choose the exact print, but you can choose the color grouping. So it's Donna Robertson. Keep watching. We've got more fun things coming up for you. Have a great day.